Hello, I received your question. You want to solve this system of equations here. I wrote each equation here, one in green and one in blue. And I've gone ahead and pressed this button here, and this pops up. We'll talk about it in a minute. But first of all, your top equations, x plus y equal 8, you need to find at least two solutions. And you just need two numbers whose sum is 8. And I just picked out two real easy ones, 0, 8 and 8, 0 would add up to 8. Now we need to, for the blue one, x minus y equals 6, we again need two solutions. Now I picked 0 and 1 for y. You can do about anything you want here. So I put in 0 for y, and x will be 6. So one solution will be 6, 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. And I picked 1 for y, and x minus 1 equals 6. You need to add 1 to each side, so x would be 7. So you need to find two solutions here. 7, 1 would be another one. Now you need to come over here and graph. So if you see this little button here, you don't click on it and plot 2 points over here to draw the lines. So if I do that here, and so if I plot 0, 8 carefully, that'll be here, and 8, 0, and it'll the computer will draw this line for you. So you click on this button here, and then you plot one point and the other one, and the computer will put that line in for you. Now I'll repeat that for the blue one. This time I want 6, 0, and then I want 7, 1. And so what you need to do is again press this button and then plot those 2 points. Then what you want to do is estimate where the two lines meet. Now the computer will do a lot better job than I'm doing here, but it looks like the two lines meet almost at 7, 1. I think if I had a better picture here, that's what it would show. So it looks to me like the intersection is 7, 1, and that's what you're after, is where these two lines meet at here. And the computer will do a much nicer job. Hope this helps.